Are you interested in healing powers? Do you want to know how to enhance your healing abilities to a truly big impact on your clients? Or are you a starting healer and want to begin in a correct and strong way? In this video, we will share 6 ways to boost your healing abilities, a proven system used for centuries, which will definitely bring impactful results on all levels of your healing work. It will take your healing abilities to the next level. So bear with me and watch the video. The first way is about connecting to a true mystery tradition or school. Why do I start with this point? Why is it so important? It may not be clear to you, but stay with me and you will understand the importance of starting here. When I first heard about healing, I did not understand why it was important to join a mystery school. Today I clearly see the value of this step, and that's why I begin with it. Why is it counterintuitive? Why is it so important? And how can it help you with your healing abilities? A true mystery tradition, fully connected to its lineage, gives you many advantages. Mystery schools stand in a long line of predecessors who have achieved great accomplishments in the field of healing. In the world of spiritual and energy healing, such abilities are often accessible to people, but without proper training and guidance, they rarely reach their full potential. The know-how in such traditions is passed from teacher to student for many generations, and always in a complete and tested form. This ensures that all necessary steps, features, knowledge, transmission, connection, and levels are included. Healing is an original discipline within the traditional mystery schools. It's the same as in any other human discipline. If you want to be the best footballer, you should undergo professional training. Of course, you can train by yourself with random sources, videos, and books, but the chances of becoming the best are small. If you want to be the best artist, studying with a school that has proven results will help you reach your full potential. And after all, this is not about being the best to feed your ego. It is about divine service that transcends the ego, about bringing as much light as possible to the places that need it. The second way is directly connected to the first, serious healing training within such a tradition. In such training, you will learn more and more about the laws of healing. It usually takes many years to train, even if you are very talented. Talent is great, but consistent hard training is essential. Even in football, some players without exceptional talent become the best through hard work. In our case, this does not mean you have to wait for years before you can start healing. You can begin at the early stages of training, but you should not expect miraculous results right away. In our mystery school, you gain access to spiritual powers and remain connected to them, which is essential. You are trained step by step in how to use them, as in every other field you wish to master. If you want to connect with such powers, we are offering a live seminar with ritual that will connect you strongly to Raphael, the Archangel of Healing. You will be amazed by his presence in your life. The third way is your commitment to the path. Every path starts with a first step. In this case, it is the spiritual path, which may begin with a weekend workshop. That's a great start, but be aware that the journey is much longer and requires ongoing commitment. As with football, no player competes in the Champions League after just a few training sessions. There is a long way to go. Commitment and dedication greatly enhance your healing abilities. On this path, you will experience significant spiritual transformation. You will align your heart, mind, and will, which will not only increase your healing abilities, but also benefit your whole life. Over time, this connection will bring you closer to your true self and allow you to serve in a divine way. The fourth way is sharing and receiving feedback with other practitioners. The best option is to connect with people from the same tradition. Be proactive, train and exchange experiences. Just as with football, practice is essential to success. In our mystery school, we have a beautiful system of exchange and sharing, which will definitely enhance your healing abilities. The fifth way is finding a genuine healing teacher. Someone you know has achieved the results you seek and has walked the same path you are on now. Follow their advice and training and allow yourself to be surprised by them. This is a very important point that many people overlook at first. If you want to meet healing teachers, remember that we are hosting a great live seminar in November where you can connect with practitioners who are truly walking the path. The sixth way, last but definitely not least, if you are in a tradition committed, surrounded by peers, and guided by a genuine teacher, you will encounter many tools, techniques, and milestones on your journey. In our mystery school, these include rituals and meditation practices. They are milestones that can significantly enhance your abilities. When you reach one, you can expect a noticeable boost in your healing power. If you want to apply all 6 ways, you are warmly invited to our live training in November, Refuah. The link is in the description. We take all 6 ways very seriously, and you will experience them there. There are 6 time-proven methods to boost the healing power within you and enhance your abilities. This video is sponsored by our Boel shop. If you feel called to enhance your healing powers, please contact us. And of course, subscribe to our channel and sign up for our newsletter. The link is in the description. A beautiful and profound path lies ahead of you. You can also find a link to our mystery school there. See you!